Hi, welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. I'm Yuri. Today I will show you how to make bitter melon dish. It's called Goya Champuru. I don't think many people knew about bitter melon. Probably 25-30 years ago, it's start getting popular, this vegetable in Japan. Before that, probably everywhere in Japan don't really know about bitter melon, but Okinawa and also Kyushu. Because when I was a kid, my parents had rent a garden, vegetable garden, and made vegetables, and my parents' friends also making some vegetables, but they came from Kyushu, that hot region area, and they made bitter melon. Till then, my mom never seen or heard that bitter melon, and even she had from her friend, she never cooked because the taste really bitter, and Tokyo or the other region people don't know how to cook it. So I've never eat when I'm growing up. After the huge tsunami, it happened, and Japan has to eliminate the usage of the electricity. But the summertime is still hot, and not so many using AC, so they have to create, or they have to make something to help not so much heat going on in the house. So that's the way that it's become popular, because bitter melon is very easy to grow, need sun and water, and it's climb up, it's like a vine, and it's climb up to everywhere, and it's become really big. So they put those small pots outside by the window, and they put the some kind of net outside, and they make bitter melon climb up to that, so that's bitter melon make a shadow inside of the house, so that the temperature is not up as much as just do like sunlight from the sun. So that's how it's become also popular. Then people also eat bitter melon. Taste-wise, bitter melon is very bitter. So beforehand, pre-cook by boiling water, so that bitter taste is little less. Or you put in the bowl and put salt over it and leave it like maybe 10 to 15 minutes, so that bitterness is coming out with water from the vegetable. Then you will cook it. So this way it's not as much as bitter. So that's how we're gonna cook. And my video, I'm gonna use boiling water. And one more thing, this specific food came from Okinawa, and Okinawan people eat lots of pork, and I don't use pork. I don't usually eat pork, so I didn't put it. So this version, this dish is more likely vegetarian, because I use egg and I use tofu as a protein, but usually they put pork. And lastly, I use this bitter melon for this video from my garden outside. It's getting ripe, so when I cut bitter melon, the seed looks red. It's close to ripe, but I didn't have anything that's more greener or the younger one, so I used that one. But when you go to a grocery store, Asian market, and buying that, it's not gonna be red probably seeds inside. It's more likely white or same color as inside of the color. So this is how to cook Goya Champuru, and I hope you like this dish, and I wonder if you want to try it because this is a little bitter. It's called bitter melon, and it's little bitterness, and some people really like it, some people don't like it. So maybe you have chance to find these ingredients in close to your grocery store or the Asian market. Maybe you want to try it. So this is my video today, and if you like my video, please subscribe or the thumbs up for me, and I'm making every week new video coming, and hopefully you enjoy my video and try to this dish. And this is Japanese Cooking Lovers, and I'm Yuri. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.